company in song, from which I thought to part. I would have the heart and desire to cheer up others, and from the prayers they make me, but I sing from bad worry. And you hear me in singing, speak out in anger against love, so that I almost give up entirely. But then I force myself, for they say it's fitting, and I sing forced and make a semblance of joy for the need of others. For I tell you well, in myself I find no reason for it except despair. And yet love should have made me suffer less harm and less trouble, for it made me fail through anger. And because never little or much did it wanna give or grant me a woman with a noble, treacherous body, from whom I thought to have joy. And so I no longer hold her enjoyment as anything. Instead I advise her to take counsel elsewhere, for I'll still have vengeance on her hard heart, where there was never frankness or mercy. And love, beautiful words, and honor were worth nothing to me. I've parted from her complaining, and I have the right to be enraged, for my great fortune I lost in her service. And never since by any sign could I come to find pleasing good, since she made me flee from her instead, like a madman unbridled without rein. I spoke against love, which never did good to me, and I said so much of it that now I'm in error for it. And so love grips me and holds me, so that I can no longer cover my misfortune. Courteously taking vengeance, love has known how to kill me nobly, because I dared to grieve so villainously. And now it makes me by hand die for such a lady, whom I don't ask or beg or show the great desire that comes to me from a noble, gracious body. But one time, I don't know if she remembers it, I went to beg her humble with great fear. It didn't please her to see my loyal faith, or to keep me, or to want my accord. And so I have, weeping, made many constrained sighs, when I think desiring how she makes me languish. And because I don't dare go before her, or turn back, or take courage, or speak begging for mercy, so strongly love comes to strike me in the heart through her who doesn't keep me, where a desire has enclosed me, so I can't see, that grips me entirely and burns me and throws me off balance. And every day grows, and so it happens to me, that since I saw her I've had memory of nothing else. Neither sleeping nor waking can I keep my heart from her, so that always thinking I gaze on her beauty, the worthy noble body, and the beautiful eyes from which I imagine that if there is no deceit in it, one can see there's so much of courtly good, that if love forever were lost in her, I know and believe there would be such sweet grace. And since it's true, I beg her not to harm me, for I have no other pledge or trust. Lady Maria, so honored are the goods that are in you, that great honor comes from it. To the one who praises your worth and maintains it, and all the world gives itself joy